Hey guys, Kicking the Top here, and today, this is one deed later from my last video, the tornado video thing. I don't know if this was a tornado or not, but you know, it was very stormy. We were supposed to get 2 inches of rain that just stopped downpouring. So, yeah, so today was kind of a wet day, but last night, focus, something suspicious happened over there. There's like, it's all folded over and dead. There's one big line of it. Hey look, there's Pinner Dog. Aww. Oh, you're cute. Oh, yeah. Okay. Say hi to YouTube. Would you? Come on. Say hi. Yeah, you're so Pinner Dog. Anyways, so yeah, I'm not too sure. I think Channel RH. I didn't send him a picture of it, but he thinks it's probably damaging winds. I think it might have too, but except for that, there's a tree with nothing on it over there. Oh, actually, never mind. That was there before. I remember it. Yay! Please don't rain again. It's starting to get windy out again. Hey, no bite. So, I think what I'm going to do is go investigate it. So, yeah. I know. I'm sure this was not a tornado because otherwise I would have been awake in the middle of the night hearing loud sirens. So, yeah, that didn't happen. I have no idea how many views my tornado video got because, in my opinion, I would be attracted to the title tornado ? Like, you know, because I usually watch tornado videos and I'm into that stuff, but big field of cattails. No. Oh, that was just a bunny. Ah, a huge bee. A big fat bee. Not go over there by it, because I have a huge fear of bees, but no. So, oh my gosh. Why would bees be out in this weather? This is like, it's wet. Okay. Oh, there it is. I had to sneak by the bee. Don't want to get stung. Well, it's a bumblebee, so probably wouldn't hurt me, but you know, just in case. Was that it? That just flew away? I hope so. So let's just try not to step on any poison ivy, because that's bad. Okay. Yeah. I do not remember all these leaves gone. I think that damaging winds or tornado, whatever it was. Oh my goodness. There's so many sticks on the ground. No! The damaging winds destroyed it. Well, didn't really destroy it, but our pool pump. It did some destruction here. I didn't think it did that much, but it actually did. Let's see what else it did. So yeah, I've been walking through our wood type place. Look, here's a path. Whoa! never seen that before. But again, there are so many sticks on the ground. How much destruction did that damaging winds do? Ugh. Ow. That poked me. What? Wow, can damaging winds do that? Oh, what the heck? I've never seen wind do that. Well, it's just, down here. But this time, destruction takes place. This is a mess. But seriously. Oh, I don't even know why I'm doing this. Like, I'm just going through this woods with lots of mosquitoes, and I don't have bug spray on. Oh, okay. So now we're here. Oh no. I just realized there's a mud puddle way over there. And I'm lost. No, I'm kidding. I'm not lost in here. Woods. Although I've never been over. No way. That is not the damaging wind. That knocked over. That could not have been. There are so many down sticks. Yeah, that was not the tornado. Or the whatever it was, I'm sure it's damaging wind. But how did it get all the way over here? Like, I already remember that being here a long time ago, so that wasn't it. But let's go a little bit further, and then I should probably be making my way back. So, oh, this wind must have been powerful. Oh my goodness. These are like vines flowing down. Yeah, there's really nothing to see over here. But yeah, that was very. What's that brick doing here? Oh, okay. This damaging winds did a lot of damage to this woods. I hear lots of, I don't know what that is. Some sort of exhaust pipe. I'm not too sure what it is, but who cares? Oh, ow. Let's get out of these nasty woods. Ow, oh, that scrapes my back. What was that thing that just hopped? Toad? I don't know. Oh, yay, the sun came out. I don't want to blind anybody watching. Except that pixels cannot get that bright, so it probably wouldn't hurt you at all. Oh my goodness. How could wind do this? Just wind made the stick fall off that tree. Like, this is a branch, and the wind blew it off. It's just wind. Are you serious? There's no there might have been a tornado, but if it was a tornado, I can understand why it would do this, but just wind doing this. Oh, spider webs in my face. Ew. That is just, oh. No. I'm not doing this again. Too much bee. Oh my goodness, I'm lost. I'm lost. Oh, I don't want to go where the bee is. I'm too scared of bees to go over there. Ow. I'm getting tangled in these vines. Do I live in the jungle or something? Ow! Oh, I stepped on thorns, I think. Oh, ow! Oh, my goodness. Oh, I'm stuck. Ow! I hope we get Wi-Fi out here in case I get hurt. I need Wi-Fi to text people. Oh my goodness. My back hurts because something scraped it, but life goes on. Okay. But, literally, I know this might be weird. Penny! Hello! Ow! I almost slipped. So, yeah. But, where'd this beer bottle or whatever it come from? Penny! Oh, yeah, you're all wet, Penner Dog. Okay, back on track. Whew. But, thorn bush, step over that. But why, just wind did all this? Blame the wind for it, no tornado. Well, tornado would probably do more than that. But anyways, guys, I'm sure you didn't enjoy this video, but anyway, if you did, leave a like and subscribe for more. I will see you on this video. Well, actually, not yet. Whoa, what was that? Was that a gunshot? It's really late in the day. I can't blame him. Whoever dropped the gun, or whatever it was. Oh, the bee again. What do I do? I'm stuck. Penny, let's go home. See. What? Oh, oh no, the bee is still on that flower. Oh. Okay. Before that bee gets angry at me, I better go. Okay. Oh my goodness. That was quite an adventure. Hello, ugly doll. What is the sound again? I don't even know what that is. Oh my word. It's not, right now I would say it's hot, but it's really not hot. It's just, it's only 80. Channel Rainy said that that's cold for him. Oh, Penner Dog! You're nice, pupper. What's that? What's that? Oh, cuckoo. Oh, hello, Shadow. You're ugly. So anyways, guys, I still am wondering what the heck is that? Or what the heck that is. Just a, oh. Well, that's something like 10 meters long. Probably longer than that, but I don't think a tornado would just touch down for, 10 seconds and go up. But anyways, guys, this time I mean it. If you have enjoyed this video, hit the like button down below. That's greatly appreciated. And I will see you all in the next video. Hello, Shadow again. But goodbye.